for this, I know it's W. What the fuck is what I always think. I know that's not
all right, okay, so it's a Wattfield.
I'll have to come over on the dishes for that.
So it's Wattfield. Winds, obstacles, turbulence, forced landings, entry, exit path.
Way too slow.
And then landing zone.
Okay.
Size, shape, surface, slope, and surrounds.
Okay. All right.
So we're going to do a confine, and that's the mnemonic that we use.
Yes.
As we do a 500-foot orbit and then a 300-foot orbit to set yourself up.
118.7, okay. I'm at 500 feet, a little slow on my board, pulling.
So what's the speed that we orbit at and distance?
60.
And distance-wise?
Enough to keep it in view at all times, so that each leg I can see over my shoulder.
Just like the traffic pattern, about a 45-degree angle from the spot.
Yes. Okay. And I'm checking for winds. We know the winds are out of the.
So right now we're really slow, right?
That's right. So we're into the head, going into headwind. We're headed east.
If we look down here, ground speed is 38.
Right.
So we know if you look at Lake Talquin, that's where the winds are coming from. Right from Lake Talquin, this way.
All right. So our landing direction will be east. All right. Obstacles. There's obstacles on all four sides. If we keep it over the river, that'll be a clear path as long as there's no cables or lines going across. Turbulence should be minimal. The winds are relatively light.
So we got private pilot standards are plus or minus 100 feet, right?
Right.
So right now we're at 800.
We're climbed up, yeah.
300 feet, didn't you?
Yes. I was trying to get my airspeed back and I let it climb. Okay. Now as far as if we have to abort and go for, there's really no good area, nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
We got an open field, but that distance is too far.
Yes.
Another open field over that way, but that's too far.
Yeah.
It's not, all we have is trees.
Trees, yeah.
So what you can do is just kind of pick some trees north, east, south, and west that, you know, where there's different discolorations or something, so you keep your orbit the same distance the whole way.
Okay.
If we had to, like right here, we say, all right, we're going to go for the river instead of the trees.
Yes. Yeah, I'm looking for areas of discoloration in the canopy. Is my landmarks.
Which is kind of hard to, I mean, that's why you want to keep a 45-degree angle. And from here, we really can't see the spot, right?
No,
so I would make it a little bit tighter.
Okay, all right. This bend in the river is mine.
There's another good one. So you got one to the east and one to the south.
Yeah, okay. Surface area is sand again, slightly sloped from the bank. Okay, if we have to abort, got a path out to the right. Okay. Alright, I'm going to drop them down to my 300 feet, which I'll use 400 feet. A little bit higher than normal. This bend in the river is my other turning point.
Morning departure, Cirrus 916 Charlie Tango's with you, climbing through 1,000, runway heading.
Cirrus 916 Charlie Tango, tell us
Okay.
departure, radar contact,
I'm gonna do my
maintain 7,000,
pre-landing
turn
check.
right,
Engine radar up in the green. Warning lights are out. Gauges in the green. Oil pressure, oil temperature, cylinder head temperature, amps are good. Fuel's good. Carburetor heat's on. Landing light would be on, but we're
We're gonna leave it off.
Departure
Stealth mode.
467 Alpha, tell us the approach south 3005.
okay. Alright, now I'm on my low orbit, which is hard to see this far out.
But that's okay.
It
You'll
lets me see the canopy.
Yeah.
Lets me see the brakes where I can escape. Yeah.
Make sure there's no wires in that river.
Yeah, no wires. Oh, I'll look for cables. There's my other.
Is that an American flag? Yep, that's somebody put up an American flag.
The area looks wide enough. The area the size is good. The surfaces are good.
Cirrus 6 Charlie Tango, turn right direct cross.
Biggest thing is our airspeed.
Alright, direct cross city, 6
You
Charlie Tango.
got, so pull in some power, don't descend. Alright, so this would be your downwind, right?
This is my downwind. And then turn base.
So really, you don't, if you don't, like, you don't have to square it off. You can kind of go down the river a little bit.
Okay.
We're going to do a steeper than normal approach, right? But
Okay.
give yourself enough distance
Okay.
that you could enter at 300 feet and start your steep approach.
Okay. I'll go to this road.
Okay.
That's a good clearance there in case I did lose engine.
We're a little slow, and you're climbing. So you're going to have to start your descent a lot sooner because the angle's higher, right?
Yeah, alright. Alright, we're going to come back to the river now.
So kind of
Oh,
gauge
final.
your distance and then kind of look at your closure rate because can we see the spot now?
No,
Oh,
I know where it is in relative to that bend.
yeah, okay, so slow down. See how we're kind of high? See what 100 feet difference makes?
It does.
So you got full carb. Push forward, keep a nice little brisk walk. And then go through your wall fill again as you're coming in. Winds, are we into the wind? Obstacles,
yet.
got a bunch of trees, so I'm going to go kind of down the river, follow the river.
Yeah.
Stay a little bit high. See? Lost your spot, huh?
Yeah, it's around this next bend, I think.
So we should have stayed up a little bit higher. Watch your power setting. If you're going to do that, you're going to have to push carb heat back in. Because you lose 1.5 inches. So over to the left. See that?
I see it around the corner. I see the
So you
fan.
could have did, so
Yeah,
here, I would go
high.
missed.
Go missed, okay.
Power,
Power pitch.
pedal, easy, don't yank it in, don't yank it in.
There
Nice
it
and
is.
smooth. And
There's the spot.
see that? So you don't want to go too far that you can't see the spot anymore.